What's up, my fellow Koopalings? Yoshi on the go here. This is a quick unboxing video on my quest to have the perfect Xbox setup. Of course, Microsoft recently announced the white colored Xbox One X, which I'm very excited about. And so in preparation for that, I have been upgrading my Xbox technology components to white. So everything will match and just be mwah. Last episode we checked out this awesome 4TB hard drive. This time around, randomly walking around Best Buy, window shopping, like you know I like to do, and I came across this really awesome white HDMI cable, 4K Ultra HD ready, and it was on sale for 50% off, so duh, obviously. And that's the box. It's blue, got some stuff on the back. Nothing much to it. When it comes to the electronics, I just go crazy for all the white stuff. We've got the white iPad, we've got the white iPhone, we've got the white keyboard, we've got the white Wii U. Recently I just upgraded my mouse to the stone white Logitech MX Master 2S. Just white all the electronics. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. Alright, well we've got the classic Xbox branded, oh, and I haven't even taken off the sticker, but yeah, this is the one that came with the OG Xbox. Right there, oh look how shiny it is. Alright, so now we've got the white Xbox hard drive, we've got the white HDMI cable, and of course, we've got the white Ethernet as well. Thanks for watching.